This is the new Ankbit E600Pro, your most budget-friendly headphone option. Let me walk you through why the Ankbit E600Pro is a fantastic choice for you. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Ankbit E600Pro headphones. The packaging is clean and professional. And as we open it up, inside we find the headphones neatly folded, emphasizing their portable design. Digging deeper, we discover the included 3.5mm audio cable, a USB-C charging cable, user manual, a nice carrying bag. The bag is perfect for storing the headphones when not in use. It's always great to see a comprehensive package, and Ankbit seems to have covered the essentials here. The matte finish gives them a premium look, and the foldable design makes them easy to carry on the go. According to the manual and the website, a 5-minute charge provides 5 hours of use, in case the battery runs out. There's also an auxiliary wire for wired connection to your phone. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Design and build quality. Ankbit E600Pro headphones boast a sleek and modern aesthetic. The matte finish not only looks premium but also minimizes fingerprints. The foldable design enhances portability, and the adjustable headband and plush ear cushions suggest a focus on comfort. The headphones offer various functions, including noise cancellation, volume control, and a power button that also serves as a pairing button and for voice activation. Initial impressions are positive. Let's see how they fare during extended use. Now, how to connect via Bluetooth. Connecting the Ankbit E600Pro headphones to your device via Bluetooth is straightforward. Press and hold the power button on the headphones until you see the indicator lights flashing, indicating that the headphones are in pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone from Settings menu. In the Bluetooth settings on your device, you should see E600Pro. Click to start pairing process. Once paired, you'll hear a confirmation sound in the headphones, and the indicator lights will stabilize, indicating a successful connection. How to connect via cable. First, ensure the headphones are powered off. Plug one end of the 3.5mm audio cable into the headphone jack on the E600Pro. Plug the other end of the cable into the audio jack of your device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other compatible device. Power on the headphones, and you should now have a wired connection. Now let's talk about the features of Ankbit E600Pro. Active noise cancellation. Immerse yourself in your music or content with ANC, which helps block out external ambient noise. Multi-device pairing. Connect the headphones to multiple devices seamlessly for a versatile listening experience. Quick charge feature. The quick charge feature allows you to get a quick power boost when you're running low on battery. Long battery life, with around 20 hours of playback on a single charge. These headphones are ideal for long journeys, commutes, or extended use. These features collectively make the Ankbit E600Pro a compelling choice in the crowded headphone market. So many features are available for just $89 USD. There are numerous colors on their website. Check them out through the link in the description. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, sound quality. The Ankbit E600Pro headphones deliver an exceptional audio experience. The bass is deep and resonant, the mid-range is clear, and the highs are detailed. Whether you're into immersive gaming, music, or movies, these headphones provide a well-balanced and rich sound profile. In conclusion, the Ankbit E600Pro headphones deliver a premium audio experience at a budget-friendly price. With a stylish design, excellent sound quality, and comfortable fit, they are a solid choice for anyone in search of high-quality headphones without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile pair of headphones, the Ankbit E600Pro is certainly worth considering. Check my description link to buy Ankbit E600Pro. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.